Welcome to MarineMax Miami. I'm Gregg Kopp, and today I'm going to give you a tour of the Pershing 7X. Crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, powered by twin 1800 horsepower engines, every detail is a declaration of speed and style. So here we are in the aft cockpit. What a great space, what a great use of space. You've got incredible lounging here. You can put 4 people comfortably for those who want to sunbathe and just relax. Over here, if you would like to have some shade, you've got shade, a nice table for seating. You can put 6 people comfortably here, all in the shade. So in addition to all the comfort and seating and lounging, you've got a grill, a wet bar, and I really love the details throughout the boat. You can see this polished stainless 7X. So here we are on the aft deck. You've got a nice swim platform. You can drop that into the water, open up your garage, and have a Williams 325 tender. Nice, clean, good lines, and nothing to obstruct your feet as you walk through. So when you come in here to the Salon, you've got a beautiful 360-degree view. You've got lounging right over here, a ton of seating. This table will double in size when you open it up, and I love how it connects the inside with the outside. It has such a nice flow. Step inside and you're greeted by a fusion of Italian luxury and technological dominance. No compromise, no distractions. So here we are at the helm. You kind of feel like you're on a rocket ship, and you are. This boat will run close to 50 knots and has a comfortable cruise at 40 knots. So she has twin MAN V12 1800 horsepower. You also have every creature comfort you need. You've got twin Seakeeper 6s on this boat. You've got the thruster, the joystick. You've got the fine tuning for the trim and also the tabs. Of course, you've got 2 huge Simrads, which will show you how to get to the Bahamas, where you definitely want to use this boat. So here we are in the galley. This is an exceptional space, the way they've managed it. You've got, of course, big refrigeration and freezer here, great for those longer trips that you take. You've got the 4 burners, Bosch, also the Bosch convection oven, and it also has a dishwasher, which is not that common to have on a boat of this size. So here we are in the master. This is a full beam aft stateroom, really nice setup. You've got gorgeous views. You can always see the water, and it's very spacious. This is a very large room, lots of headroom. I'm 6'2", plenty of space for me here. So I also like how you have your private master bathroom in here with a lot of space, and the shower is very large. It's wide, it's tall, it's very open. So a nice place to be. So here we are in the VIP suite, forward stateroom. Really nice setup, a lot of room. Even when the doors close, you have a lot of room to maneuver around. You have 2 hanging locker closets, as well as a private head. So here on the starboard side, we have the 3rd stateroom, which is 2 twin beds side by side, and also still with a beautiful view. 50 knots of pure adrenaline, built not just to cruise, but to conquer. So I hope you liked watching this video. I hope it helped. This boat is for sale. Please give me a call at 786-390-5292. Again, it's Gregg Kopp. Look forward to helping.